Hello, good morning, everyone. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Rafi Heru Prasetyo. My name's 19.2A.05. My class 19.2A.04. First, I want to present an English project of topics software and operating system and hardware. First, topic 1, software and operating system. Definition of software. Software is a set of instructions, data or program used to operate computer and execute specific tasks. It is the opposite of hardware, which describes the physical aspect of a computer. Software is a generic term used to refer to application script and program that run on a device. It can be thought of as the variable part of a computer, while hardware is the invariable part. The type of software. First, application software. Application First, application software. Application software, the most common type of software. Application software is a computer software package that performs a specific function for a user, or in some cases perform a specific function for a user, or in some cases for another application. An application can be self-contained, or it can be a group of programs that run the application of the user. 2. System software. System software. The software program are designed to run a computer as application program and hardware. System software coordinate the activities and function of the hardware and software. In addition, it controls the operation of computer, hardware, and provide an environment or platform for all other types of software to work in the OS in the base. Driver software. Driver software, also known as a device driver, this software is often considered a type of software. Device driver controls the device and peripheral connected to a computer, enabling them to perform their specific tasks. Every device that is connected to a computer that less one device driver to function. Example include software that comes with any non-standard hardware, including special game controller, as well as the software that enables standard hardware as USB storage, keyboard, headphone, and printer. The last, programming software. Programming software, computer program use programming software to write code. Programming software and programming tool enable the developer to develop, write, test, and debug other software program. Example of programming software include assembler, compiler, debuggers, and interpreters. Next, software function. First, provide the existence of functional of a computer so it can operate. For example, the availability of an operating system and a computer support system. Second, manage any existing hardware on the computer so that it can work simultaneously. Third, become a liaison between some other software with the existing hardware on the computer. Fourth, the software also has a translator to machine learning so the hardware can understand the command. 5. Software can also identify a program that is on a computer. Next. Definition of operating system. An operating system is a system that connects hardware, software, and user so that the computer can work properly. Without system operation, computer user cannot run the hardware and must create their own program. In addition, the operating system usually comes with the hardware of a computer. In essence, the OS is the system that connects the hardware with the software and the user. Next, operating system function. First, storing application and program. The first function of OS is to store application and program on the computer. Specifically, application and program have been installed on the operating system and will not be able to run if the system operation are not running. Second, running basic programming. The next function of OS is to run basic programming on the computer. The system operation manage existing processes on the device, such as scheduling, creating, and stopping processes. Third, displaying text on the computer screen. Apart from running program, OS can also display text on the screen in graphic, video, text, or audio according to what is available on the page. Fourth, controlling device function. Now that you understand what is OS, you must understand that this is also the resource manager. Next, organizing file. Aside from controlling device function, OS can also manage file on the computer, such as storing, managing, accessing data. The last, maintain program security. The last function of OS is to keep the device safe from cyber threats such as malware and external cybercrime. The next, type of operating system. First, batch OS. Type of operating system. First, batch OS. The first type of system is batch OS or batch processing system. The system does a lot of work automatically in a predicament order. Second, distributed OS. A distributed OS is a system that many computer research. In addition to understanding what is the OS, you should know that distributed OS is a spread across several network computers. Third, multitasking OS. The system operation allows us to run multiple applications simultaneously without having to close other application when running an application. The system can defeat CPU time for running application efficiently and smooth. Fourth, real-time OS. Real-time OS in a charge of responding to events that occur in real time to process quickly and scalably. Five, mobile OS. Apart from computer, system operation can also be designed for mobile phone, tablet, and other wearable device. Okay. Next, example of operating system. Microsoft Windows. An example of an operating system is Microsoft Windows, which was created in the mid 1980s. Second, macOS. Apple has its own OS, commonly called macOS, for their computer devices such as Macintosh. The last is Linux. This system operation is an open source system whose program code can be modified, unlike Windows, which can only be modified by the Windows company itself. Conclusion: software that manage the research and allow a user to interact with the system. On the other hand, an operating system collect programs that coordinate activities among computer hardware devices. Okay, next topic 2 is hardware. Definition of hardware. Hardware is one type of the computer device that has a physical form that can be seen and felt. In short, hardware can be seen as a computer device that functions to carry out several processes such as output and processing. Characteristic hardware. Well, hardware has its own characteristic. The following are the characteristics of hardware. First, have basic. In contrast to software, hardware has a physical form that can be touched and felt by the computer user. Second, main component of computer. Hardware can be regarded as the main component of a computer. If there is no hardware, then the computer device cannot display the screen and so on. Third, user and software liaison. Hardware is useful as a liaison between user and software, so the hardware will have to input, output, and process with the computer. Next, basic component of hardware. There are several basic components of computer hardware, including first, central processing unit or CPU. The CPU control the computer process and communicate with the other component of a personal computer. Second, motherboard. The motherboard provides the structure for all output and connect them, while also providing a way to the power deliver information and connect to the device such as a printer or mouse. Third, random access memory or RAM. RAM is where data left temporarily while it's being actively used by the program, such as when a user launches a computer application. Fourth, video graphic array port or VGA. A VGA port is a video input that is primarily used on the PC monitor by power supply. A power supply provides electricity to all components of a computer system. Typically, it's a power part connect from my troubleshoot the power supply by turning off the computer. Six. Cooling fan. Cooling fan are a computer system to decrease overheating. Many computers have more than one cooling fan to help user run their computer application, video streaming or gaming. Okay, next. Type of hardware. Hardware is divided into several types according to function as a computer device. The following type of hardware. Hardware output. Hardware output is a computer device that is useful as an output such as sound and screen. And hardware input is an input device that functions to input data of various types such as text, photo, video, and audio to a computer. Third, hardware process. Process hardware is one type of computer device that function for processing computer data. Process hardware is also often referred to as the brain of computer. The last, storage device. Storage devices are also part of the hardware. With storage device, you can store various data on your next. Hardware input device. Input hardware is an input device that functions to input data of various types as text, photo, video, and audio to a computer. For example, as a keyboard. Keyboard is the most common and variable input device which help to input data to a computer. The next is a mouse. Mouse is the most popular pointing device. It's a very frequent cursor control device having a snap and provide around while and at its base. Next, joystick. Joystick is also a pointing device which is used to move the cursor position on a monitor screen. Next, like pen. Like pen is a pointing device similar to a pen. It used to select a display menu item or draw picture on the monitor screen. It consists of potential and optical display. That's small. Next, scanner. Scanner is an input device which works more like a photocopy machine. The last is microphone. The microphone is used for various applications in addition to a multimedia presentation or for mixing music. Okay, next hardware output device. Hardware output is a computer device that is useful as an output such as sound and screen. For example, based on monitor. The most general example of an output device is a monitor itself. For a visual display unit video, and the major function of a computer is to display the process data like image, video, text, audio. Next, printer. Printer are another common example of output device operate producing a copy, typically a hard copy or xerox copy of it, and transmitted video computer. Next, projector. Projector and an output device that receive image from a computer and allow user to project their output on the larger area, such as a screen or phone. Next, speaker. Speaker are the output device that are connected to computer to allow sound to be output. The last is headphone. Headphone are the output devices that help you listen to the audio coming out of the computer. With the help of headphone, we can listen to the audio perfectly and without disturbing anyone around. Okay. Storage device. Storage device are also part of the hardware. With storage device, you can store various data on your computer, for example, and hard disk, flash disk, CD, DVD, CD, and memory card. Conclusion: a diverse range of important parts of computer hardware were analyzed These parts are the core element of a computer system. Without this part, the system can never perform. Okay, this is a research. I this is a research. This presentation. Thank you.